Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Cooking some Brussels sprouts tonight. I'm cooking some my really cheap meat buys, actually some chuck steak on the grill. And when I'm cooking on the grill, I'd rather not have a bunch of stuff on the inside cooking. And so what I do, I'll make a little foil pouch, and I've added butter, a couple liberal spoonfuls of butter, put some garlic powder on it, put some onion powder on it. You can cut up onions and put in here with your Brussels sprouts. And this was one bag of Brussels sprouts, and that's about one serving to me. I'll eat all those. Sorry about that whining. That is Bo. He just whines just for whatever reason. But anyway, you put this kind of off to the side on the grill. I call it the cold part of the grill. Well, actually, it isn't that cold, but it isn't over the direct heat. And once I get started, I'll put it over there and I'll flip it every few. And I'll take my grill fork and kind of press it and kind of see. But I just go by. I just know how long it takes. And these Brussels sprouts are frozen, but they'll be all right. Man, they get slathered in that butter. Gosh, talking about something good. Man, I love Brussels sprouts. But you can cook it like this. You can put a can of corn on the grill, put you some seasoning in that corn, and butter. Cook that on the grill. You don't have a pot, clean there. And I'm going to take and wrap me some garlic bread up and put that on the grill. And so garlic bread, Brussels sprouts, and steak for supper tonight. Be a good, nutritious meal for me. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless. Ta-da! Let me know if you actually saw this in the comment section, if you waited around that long. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.